Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was. Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health.